Hello friends, welcome to the Typesoft. So today we are going to understand how to install Angular in Windows, right? So before installing Windows, we have to check the Node version. Actually, before installing the Angular, we have to check Node is there or not. So how to check it? Let me go to the terminal once. If it is there, fine. Otherwise, we have to install Node also first. So let's me write node -v. So I'm not getting anything, right? That means Node is not installed in my system. So before starting Angular, if you will get some node, if it is node installed, right, you will get some version of it, right? So before starting the Angular, right, what we have to do, we have to just go to the browser and download the node. So just click here, node download, whichever you want, you can download it, okay, whichever is latest version. Windows installer.msi. Download is completed, right? Go to the download folder and just double click on it. Yeah, next, accept, next. No need to change anything, just click on next, that's it. Yeah, yes. Now node installed successfully. If you will check this version of it, right, like node space -v, you will get, I think we have to restart the terminal once because it was already open, right? So that's why it will not give me. After installing that node, just reopen the terminal and just write node space -v. Angular, right? So if you want to install the Angular, then we have a command like npm install, because it's a CLI installation, right? So npm install -g @angular/CLI, right? After that, if you want to install with the specific version, we can write version also here. If you do not write, that will install with the latest version. Always remember, okay? So that part is optional. @12.1.0, if you will keep it, you can check which is updated version, right? And you can directly keep it and install it. So I will just copy this one and I will go to the terminal and I will simply write this npm install -g @angular/CLI at 12.1.0. Click on it, it will start the installing on it. Okay, now it installed successfully. If you want to check, we have ng is Angular command -v. So you can see that right now command is available. So we have, I think, version for that. So ng space -version. If you can look on it, Angular CLI, that means Angular is installed successfully, right? So it is giving like which version is installed, what the node version. So Angular is a one framework of the JavaScript only, right, which will work on the top of the node. So whenever you want to install Angular, first you have to install the node and then you can install the Angular, right? So both we have seen in this tutorial. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.